In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can choose where you want your page numbers to begin in Adobe InDesign. So as you can see here, I have a document and it has 7 pages and each page has a page number, but I only want to start my page number starting on this 3rd page. So what we can do now, important to mention, all pages have this parent page applied, but for this one, first we're going to make sure we're in the pages here, so 4 pages in 4 spreads, not in the parent, and then go to the page where you want your numbering to start, right click it, and then choose numbering and section options. So here you can choose to start a section. We're going to start page numbering at 1 on this 3rd page. So I'm going to say OK, and then you will get a warning. This doesn't matter, it just means that there are already page numbers, so you have to double check and make sure that you don't have duplicate page numbers. We're going to say OK, and then as you can see, this 3rd page has now number 1, but the 2nd page and the 1st page also have page numbers. That's because I have a parent page applied to all my pages. What I can do now is, as you can see here in the Pages window, which if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Pages or press F12. In the Pages window, you have the parent page and you have None. So this None has nothing configured, and we're going to select this one, so just click it and drag it, and we're going to drag it on top of the pages where we do not want to have our page numbering, so they do no longer have the A parent page applied. And as you can see, the page number has disappeared. So I now have page numbering starting at my 3rd page and starting from number 1. If you want to have this number different, you can just do the same thing, click where you want to apply, then choose number and section options, and then instead of start page numbering at 1, you can say start page numbering at 3, then say OK. And as you can see now, my 3rd page has page number 3, and because my 2nd and my 1st page have the non-parent page applied, they don't have page numbers at all. So that's how you can choose where you want your page numbers to begin and which number you want your page to begin with in Adobe InDesign. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.